Hey guys, and welcome to Carguy1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we're taking a look at the 2020 Silverado 1500. We're going to take a look at two trim levels to kind of compare and contrast the two of them. Representing the entry-level Silverado 1500 is this custom trim. This one's fitted with the 4.3 Ecotec V6, 6-speed automatic, finished here in Summit White, and this is the double cab edition. Nice interior. We're going to take a better look once we're out on the road. Even though this is the base entry-level model, it still is a really nice interior, nice soft touch materials. Steering wheel feels great. Total price of this one comes to $39,110. Nice and easy to use the tailgate. Just a really nice truck overall. Has a really nice front fascia. On the custom trim, the front fascia is a little bit different. You'll see Chevrolet across, and it's quite distinctive. Along the lines of distinctive is the Z71 Trailboss. This is our high-end off-road edition of the Silverado, built to kind of take on the Raptor in a way. 5.3 Ecotec V8, 10-speed automatic. So kind of testing out the two different engine levels, comparing and contrasting as well. Big, beefy off-road tires. It is sat up just a little bit higher, but not completely unbearable to get in and out of either. Rear of the trucks are pretty much the same. You'll have a white painted bumper on the custom on this one. This one has black contrast stitching, or not stitching, paint. Stay. Love the tailpipes too. Dual tailpipes. Trailboss. Being the LT trim, this one features leather interior. This is the crew cab, so a little bit of a lengthier cab, a little bit more room inside. However, the custom has a bit of a bigger bed. Total price on this one's $54,655. Nice Z71 mats. I'm an idiot. I forgot to shut the window. And then the front fascia really sets the Trailboss apart. You can see it's all black painted. It's really, really nice. We can take a look at the RST trim level 2. Just overall, really, really pretty design. We don't have any high country 1500s at the location now, or else I would have gone start to finish. But I think the Z71, in my mind, the Trailboss specifically, is the pinnacle of the Silverado 1500. So let's go ahead and start with the custom. Alright, behind the wheel of the custom. Really, really nice truck, actually. And the V6 has plenty of power. Do have a couple blank switches, but that's to be expected with an entry-level model. However, it still is very, very nice in here, especially given the price tag. Very, very comfortable to drive on the road, too. I have no complaints in that department at all. Really, really nice. Very easy. Visibility is great, too. And even for being entry level, you still have a ton of features in here. You have touchscreen infotainment system. You have trailer tow mode. You have all kinds of different features and amenities inside the Custom. Brake pedal feels great. Six-speed is a great transmission too. Doesn't really hunt around for gears too much, and the 4.3 has plenty of torque to not need to downshift all the time. Steering wheel does feel nice in your hand. The airbag cover is finished in a very nice plastic looking leather looking plastic, that's better. And all of your touch points do have some nice padding to them, so it's not going to get unbearable during long days at work. It is not bad at all for the entry-level motor. Well, I'm not exactly sure what the ranking's like. I think it goes the V6, the turbo, the 2.7 turbo, and then the V8 levels. But yeah, overall, this is a really, really nice truck. Even given, well, it's not the full entry level. That would be your work truck. But this is perfect for someone who, has snowmobiles, stuff like that they want to tow for the weekend, if they want to tow a camper, stuff like that. This is perfect for that individual. It does all the work a truck would ever need to do while still being very comfortable. Now, let's take a look at the Trailboss and see how that differs from the normal Silverado. Alright, now we're inside the Trailboss. This thing is a huge step up. Not only do I feel like I'm sitting a lot higher up, I actually am. Every material in here is just a little bit nicer. Steering wheel's wrapped in leather. This thing is awesome. You have 3 drive modes also introduced. Normal, sport, and off-road. We're going to be driving today in sport mode. Weightens up the steering pretty nicely, and overall just makes it a little bit more fun to drive. You also get Sirius satellite radio, and a couple other features not found on the Custom. Also, on this truck, we have the 5.3 as stated before, so you get a lot more power. You also have the 10-speed automatic. Both of those are available on, trucks such as the RST, stuff like that. So you can get those on your normal Silverado. It's not a Trailboss exclusive. What is the Trailboss exclusive is the bigger tires, the off-road package, and just a really, really great package. Not a lot of road noise at all especially with these big tires. Sometimes you'll get some road noise, but that's not the case with this truck. It's very well insulated, so you can't really even hear the tires or feel them whatsoever. Really impressive that they were able to do that. The seats are very comfortable. They're super adjustable. You got lumbar support. They're all power adjustable. Really, the thing with this truck is it's stepping up into really luxury territory. And this isn't even top of the line. You can run up a high country deep into $70,000. So there is a lot of customization with the Silverado 1500 lineup. And who knows, maybe in a couple weeks, once we get more of them in, I'll do a full model walkthrough. Start at the work truck and go straight up to the high country and touch upon every model level. This was mainly to compare the non-Z71 pack with the Z71 Trailboss and see if the Trailboss is as comfortable on the road as a non-off-road truck. And the answer truly is yes, if not more comfortable, which I did not expect. I think what's playing into it is the peace of mind in the back of my head, knowing that this is one of the most rugged trucks on sale today. If all of a sudden this turned to rock and gravel and mud, this truck could do it. That just in the back of your mind, having that there is something that money really can't buy. Well, it can buy it because you can buy this truck, but it takes a lot to build a rugged truck that can do everything, and this truck is up there. And the one thing it has on the Raptor is it's a V8. The new generation of the Raptor has moved to a twin-turbo V6. So with this, you get the power of a V8, the torque curve and the power curve of a naturally aspirated motor. So there's no turbo lag. You also get this fantastic 10-speed, which has been co-developed with Ford. So that's really not a bonus over the Raptor because they kind of share a very, very similar transmission. What the Raptor really doesn't have is an accessible price point. To get a pretty fully loaded Raptor, you're deep into 70s and touching upon 80s. This truck's under $60,000. So it's definitely worth a look. You know, because 20 grand difference is pretty impressive. You know, 20 grand can buy you a track car. 20 grand can buy you a camper. You know, so 20 grand can also pay for your gas to go cross country and go rip dunes out in Nevada. You know, rip the desert. So that's definitely something to think about, and that's where I think the Trailboss really comes into its own. Lost my camera cover. On that note, I want to say, are you sacrificing anything by getting the off-road package in terms of on-road comfort? Absolutely not. What you are doing is buying yourself that peace of mind knowing that you have one of the most capable trucks for any situation that will arise in your future. Snow is no longer an issue. That dirt road to get to camp is no longer an issue. This truck can and will do anything. And that's why I love the Z71 Trailboss so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.